BBC Good Food and welcome to my masterclass. I'm really excited to be bringing you this online course on making sourdough bread. Throughout the course I'll be teaching you everything from the basic equipment needed to making sourdough part of your life right up into using leftover stale bread. Learn key terminology such as starters and levains, what to do with them, how to look after them and the difference between them. Don't worry, you won't be left alone to study, there'll be other people learning along with us. If you choose the expert version, me and my team will chat to you personally and mark your assignments. I look forward to seeing you in the classroom.